From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here are the latest tropical storm watches, hurricane warnings in effect for what is now Tropical Storm Nicole. A little bit closer to home, we do have tropical storm warning in effect for the coastal waters of South Carolina, but no inland watches or warnings at this time. Here's the latest, what is now Tropical Storm Nicole. It was a subtropical storm. It's gotten a little bit better developed and is expected to continue to get a little bit better developed, become a hurricane at some point, maybe tomorrow, then make landfall, it looks like, late Wednesday or early Thursday along the eastern coast of Florida, and then move more towards the north and eventually towards the north and east. And you notice pretty fast moving storm. That's Friday morning at 7 o'clock, and here's the forecasted location for Saturday morning at 7 o'clock. So moving along pretty quickly once it moves into Georgia. Here are the spaghetti models. Pretty good agreement as of right now. No real major changes except for the timing. It's sped up a little bit. So here's how our forecast model kind of sees it, along with the National Hurricane Center's cone of uncertainty. As we go through Wednesday, some clouds start to move back into the Midlands. This is Thursday morning as possibly Hurricane Nicole at that point does make landfall along the eastern coast of Florida. Thursday afternoon, we're expecting a bit of rain for us here across the Midlands, so showers, may even get a couple of rumbles of thunder. Heavy downpours really the main threat as of right now. This is Friday morning at midnight. Still have that rain kind of moving across the Midlands as, at that point, Tropical Storm Nicole moves more towards the north and east. Here's a little bit of a closer look at our forecast for the Palmetto State. A few more clouds may move into the area tonight. Otherwise, just look for mainly clear skies. Looking ahead towards Wednesday, partly cloudy conditions as those clouds continue to stream into the area. So Wednesday afternoon, we'll go partly cloudy. Wednesday night, probably mostly cloudy as those clouds continue to move into the Midlands. Then as we get to about Thursday afternoon, that's when we're expecting the rain to kind of start to developing across the area. This is midday Thursday. Here comes all that shower activity pushing through the area. Some moderate to some heavy downpours will be possible. That'll be throughout the day on Thursday, Thursday evening. Even as we go into the overnight hours of Thursday into early parts of Friday, we're still expecting some heavy downpours all the way through at least Friday morning at 5 o'clock. That's as far as our forecast model goes, at least at this time. As far as rainfall amounts over the next 7 days, 2 to 2.5 inches of rain, maybe some areas get a little bit more, maybe up to 3 inches, and all that will be basically Thursday and Friday. As of right now, excessive rainfall, at least a slight risk in the southern half of the Palmetto State and the Midlands, so there will be that possibility for some flash flooding. We're going to have to watch for some gusty winds as well. It'll be a bit breezy today, and even as we go into tomorrow before the storm even gets here, we're still talking about some pretty strong winds coming out of the northeast, anywhere from about 10 to 20 miles per hour with some stronger gusts at times. And certainly as we get into Thursday and then Thursday night and early parts of Friday, those winds will be picking up. With the winds today and the dry conditions, there's an elevated fire risk. So certainly don't want to do any kind of outdoor burning because with the winds and the leaves and the dry situation, it could cause some fires to get out of control. Here is the likely arrival time of tropical storm force winds if we were to see that across the Midlands. Basically a 20 to 30% chance of tropical storm force winds. That is over the whole period. But as of right now, the earliest or likely time of arrival would be late Thursday through early Friday. That's according to the National Hurricane Center. The overall odds for tropical storm force winds across the Midlands, there they are, anywhere from about 18% to 23%. So the chances are there. That's something we'll have to still watch for, that chance for some tropical storm force winds. We'll also have to watch the potential for some severe weather, in particular in the southern and eastern half of the Midlands. This is for Thursday. We may also have to watch that potential for some severe weather on Friday as well. Today, very quiet, a little bit breezy though at times. Winds coming out of the northeast anywhere from about, say 10, 20 miles per hour. Stronger gusts. Should see a lot of sunshine. Windy again for tomorrow and Thursday. The rain moves in, and rain's going to be likely on Friday, especially during the early morning hours of Friday. And gradually, I do think those rain chances will decrease as we get to the afternoon hours. And then looking ahead towards the weekend, 71 on Saturday. Cooler though on Sunday with highs in the mid-50s, low 50s on Monday. And it looks like these cooler than normal conditions will stick around November 15th through November 21st.